As I was walking and rambling one day, I spied a young couple so fondly did stray. And one was a young maid so sweet and so fair, and the other one was a soldier and a brave grenadier, and they kissed so incompetent as they clung to each other. They went arm in arm down the road like sister and brother. They went arm in arm down the road till they came to a stream, and they both sat down together now to hear the nightingale sing. Well, out of his knapsack he drew a fine fiddle, and he played her such merry tunes that you ever did hear. And he played her such merry tunes that the valley did ring. Oh, soft cried the fair maid, hear the nightingale sing. And now says the fair maid, will you marry me? Oh, no, says the soldier, however can that be? For her I meet a wife at home in the old country, and she is the prettiest thing that you ever did see. Oh, now I'm off to India for 7 long years, drinking wines and strong whiskies instead of pale beers. But when I return again, it will be in the spring, and we'll both sit down together, love to hear the nightingale sing. And they kissed so incompetent as they clung to each other. They went arm in arm down the road like sister and brother. They went arm in arm down the road till they came to a stream, and they both sat down together now to hear the nightingale sing. And they both sat down together now to hear the nightingale sing.